Good morning, students. Now today we will do study of lesson 3, Yoga and Lifestyle. Modern age is the age of machine. Today every person has stress, tension and many other problems. Yoga helps in improving blood circulation and other healthy problems. Yoga helps every person regardless of age, social background, etc. Yoga helps in balancing the body, mind and emotion. Hence, yoga is the greatest virtue given by Asian science. And now we will come to meaning of yoga. Yoga has come from Sanskrit word use, which means the unite or to join. Yoga helps the individual to connect with one's inner spirit. Yoga is a science which deals with the healthy body and mind. The ultimate aim of yoga is self-identification and perfection. It also means the unification of physical, mental, social and spiritual aspect of human being. And now we will come to definition of yoga. According to Patanjali, checking the impulses of mind is yoga. And according to the Swami Digambarji, yoga is a union of Atma and Paramatma. And now we will come to importance of yoga. There are a lot of importance of yoga. First, reduce tension, relax from fatigue, improves concentration, improves digestive system, cure diseases, improves the posture, reduces obesity, increases flexibility. So first we will come to reduces tension. Yoga helps to relax the body and mind. It reduces the stress and tension. Now we will come to relax from fatigue. Modern age is the age of stress and tension. It is full of hard work. In this way, fatigue is common. Rest and relaxation are important for removing fatigue. Shivasana and Makrasana are the beneficial asanas for relaxation. And now we will come to improves concentration. Yoga is the best mean to improve the concentration of a person. It helps in improving memory and mental setup. Next, improves digestive system. Yoga helps in improving digestive system. A person with perfect digestion seldom gets sick. Thus, yoga helps in keeping away the diseases. Now next is cures diseases. Yoga can cure diseases like asthma, high blood pressure, heart problem, etc. Now next is improves the posture. Good posture are the identification of a personalized person. Yoga helps in maintaining good posture and improving the bad ones. Now next is reduces obesity. Obesity is the most separated and dangerous diseases of modern times. It is an invitation to many other diseases also. Obesity can be cured by various meditative asanas such as Dhanurasana, Paschimottanasana, etc. And now next is, and the last one, increase flexibility. Flexibility makes the body movement significant and graceful. Muscles can be flexible by performing various asanas such as Chakrasana, Dhanurasana, Halasana and Sarvangasana, etc. And now we will discuss about asana. First, meaning of asana. Asana means holding the body to a particular posture in order to bring stability to the body and peace to the mind. During asana, body is kept in a position so that the activities or organs and glands of body become more efficient and finally improve the health of mind and body. According to Brahma Upanishad, to sit in a comfortable position or posture for everlasting position or posture for everlasting period is called asana. Asanas are divided into three types. First, cultural asanas. Second, meditative asanas. And third, relaxative asanas. First, we will discuss about cultural asana. The asana which regulate and systemize the activities of body and make a way to perform pranayam, pratyahara and dharana, etc. are called cultural or corrective asanas. For example, Sirsasana, Matyasan Asana, Sarvangasana, Salva Asana, Dhanurasana, Halasana, Bhujangasana, Chakrasana, etc. And now, meditative asanas. These asanas enhance the meditation power of an individual. Padmasana, Samasana, Siddhasana, etc. are meditative asanas. These asanas should be performed before meditation in complete peaceful environment. And now we'll discuss about relaxative asana. Makrasana and Shavasana are the main relaxative asanas. These are beneficial for removing fatigue, either it is a physical or mental. An individual gets complete relaxation after performing these asanas. And now we'll discuss about asana as preventive measure. There are lot of preventive measures are here. First, asana keeps the spinal cord flexible. Second, asana are non-violent activities and keep the sports person cool. Sufficient exercise of internal organs is possible by asanas. Asana help in physical and mental development of an individual. It also help in spiritual development of a person. Asana correct bad posture. Asana help in keeping away diseases. Asana help in power of concentration and expansions of lungs. It increases the lungs working capacity, which result in more purification of blood. Asana helps in better blood circulation. Asana keep a person active and remove fatigue. Asana help the person body to acquire and resistance and power during practice and also keep the distance away.